If you want to hide files on POCO M8 5G, we have two main ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, use the File Manager. This is an app made by Xiaomi. And over here, if you try to hide something, let's say I'm gonna try to hide these screenshots in here. So we can tap on More in the bottom right corner once you select them, and then we have Make Private. And this is how we can store and hide files on this phone with this app. And if you want to access them, you need to switch to Recent and then swipe down in here in order to open the hidden section, the private folder or private space. Of course, if you do this for the first time, you will have to set up a password, the privacy protection password, which of course you will be guided to do so you don't have to worry about it. So this is one of the ways. However, of course, you can experience some ads while using File Manager because this is a Xiaomi app, and unfortunately these apps do have ads. So if you're looking for something that does not contain ads, you can just use the Files app by Google. This is also a file manager. And in this case, we have a safe folder that you can easily set up. If you go here for the first time, you can choose a pin code or a pattern. And once you set it up, then we have the safe folder created. And you can do pretty much the same thing in order to hide something. So let's say I'm gonna select a couple of files in here. We can use these three dots in the upper right corner, and then we have move to safe folder. You need to verify yourself with the password, and there we go. And then we can open the safe folder from the main menu. And as you can see, we have our hidden files, and you can hide photos, videos, documents, audio files, maybe even APK files if needed, and so on and so forth. Anything that can be found in this app, you can hide it in the safe folder. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.